right, welcome back everybody to Art with Miss Maury. We just learned the difference between a geometric shape and a freeform shape. Okay, the specifics about geometric shapes is that they have names and rules about them. So we know this is a square, we know that this is a triangle, we know that this is a trapezoid. Let's see, what else do we got here? We know this is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? We know that this is a diamond, or sometimes we call it a rhombus. Very good. So taking all of these geometric shapes, you're going to use a pencil, but today I'm going to use a marker because I want you to be able to see what we're making. Okay? You're going to take these shapes and you're going to arrange them and make something with them. So let's see, I really like butterflies, so I'm going to make a butterfly today. I'm going to start off my butterfly with a few squares, okay, and I'm going to then create my butterfly off of this. There we go. So we're going to have one wing. I'm going to kind of play around, go this way, and then I'm going to have these fit inside like that. Okay, and then I'm going to have another wing. It's going to go this way. Let's see, I'm just picking shapes out of my bucket. Okay, and there is my butterfly. Can you see that? So I kind of played that out first, right? Before I started tracing. Before I started talking, I arranged all of my things into a shape. Now I'm going to trace all of those. So I'm going to kind of scoot them out, okay? I'm going to trace each of these things. I don't want to use a Sharpie though because I don't want to get marker all over them. So you guys are going to use a pencil first, but I'm going to use this tool so that you can see it in the camera. Okay, so there's one square. I'm going to line up my next square. Okay, oops, I missed that side. And then I'm going to line up my next square. Yep, and then my last square. Do you guys know what these are called? Have you ever heard of tangrams? Yeah. So we're basically doing tangrams, but we're creating our own. Okay, so now I'm going to line up my two wings on the top. Tangrams are basically taking all of these geometric shapes and arranging them in different patterns to make things. Okay, there's lots of different like tangram apps that you can do on like your iPads and your phones. Let's see, Osmo has a tangram app. Have you ever seen it on the Osmo? Yep. All right, so there's my triangle on that side. Okay, and then now I'm going to do my trapezoid. And then I'm going to add in my triangle. So I planned it out first, okay? And then I'm going back in and I'm recreating it and tracing it on my paper. There we go. Let's see, now I got to do my rhombus or my trapezoid here. Okay, and then I'm going to do my triangle. I don't even need that triangle. I can just close that end there. Do you notice how I'm not retracing that side? I'm just lining it up and I'm retracing my new sides. Okay, and then my last part here. There we go, and there is my butterfly. I want to make my butterfly look like it's in the sky. Okay, so I'm going to add some lines like this to make it look like it's, yeah, like it's flying. And then I think I'm going to add some shapes, yep, to make clouds.
Can we color it after
Okay.
you're done?
Yes, so you guys will color it after you're done. I'm going to make a cloud right here too. Are my clouds freeform or geometric? Freeform. Very good. They don't have a name. They kind of look like clouds, right? But we can do clouds in lots of different ways. So you're going to have your main subject, whether it's a giraffe or a dinosaur or a caterpillar or whatever, is going to be made out of geometric shapes. Okay? But then once you finish your geometric shaped animal, or whatever it happens to be, then you could put it in a place. Once you've drawn out all your parts, then you can color them today. Okay? You can do more than one thing. Yep. But if you do more than one thing, you got to fit it on one of these pieces of paper. So if you do like two things, you might want to do them side by side or up and down.
Okay. Or on the other side.
Or on the what?
Other side.
You're going to want to fit it all on one paper. Okay? What we're going to be doing, okay, here's our sheet. We're going to be taking this. This is your plan for 3 different projects. Once you finish your plan, okay, guys, once you finish your plan, we're going to paint it with tempera paint. We're going to cut it out with shapes and make a paper collage. And then we're going to create a digital art piece of it, and we're going to do that in KidPix. So we're going to take this one version. After we color it, then we're going to paint it, collage it, and then computer art it. Okay? Have fun!